Hi guys, eat my Subway with me. Eat my Subway with me. Today I have a tuna mayo footlong that's got in it cucumber, onion and sweet corn. And also it's got light mayo as well in it. That's what it looks like. And also it's cheese and toasted, and it's on the normal Italian bread. I haven't actually had Subway for a long time because, as you will have seen, I've had a lot of chicken takeaways. I've had Pepe's, I've had a lot of Popeyes, I've had Taco Bell. So this is a nice change for once. I'm really enjoying it actually. I'm one of them boring ones that just stays with the same order and I don't ever try anything else. So I'll always have tuna. I was actually going to get 2 meal deals where I got crisps, drink and a cookie, but I decided not to because I've got loads of drink at home. I got crisps and I would have liked the cookies, but I decided I didn't need them. It's really nice. But they do say that, don't they? When you don't have something all the time, it is nicer. Because it's not it does taste nice when you don't have something all the time. Like, I used to have McDonald's a lot, but I very rarely have it now. Mostly because I've gone off it. I had it a lot when I was a child. And plus, it's a lot more expensive now. I mean, the burger that I like the most at the moment, I don't know if it's a special burger, but it's the Big Arch. And I know that costs like £10 something just for the burger. So if I don't have that, I'd normally have something like the Big Mac or a couple of cheeseburgers. But on the whole, I don't really have McDonald's. Or I actually have 20 nuggets. But on the whole, the McDonald's is something that I won't have. Because I feel like what you get now, for the price it costs, it's a lot of money. I mean, who wants to spend like I think like the one I like, the Big Arch, is about £10.50 a burger. Who wants to spend like £13, £14, maybe £15, adding the drink and the chips? And don't forget, if you go large, the drink and the chips are more expensive anyway. And also with the sugar tax, if you have a Coke, a full sugar drink, it's also more expensive. So really, I don't understand why I would go for something like a McDonald's. I mean, I know that the Subway costs a lot of money, but you get to choose what you have in it, whereas it's fully customizable. Whereas really all you can take out of the McDonald's burger, all you can take out of the burgers at McDonald's is the lettuce, the pickles, the cheese. You can take everything out, but then you won't have anything. Whereas with a Subway, you can completely make it to what you like. I mean, I'll admit, I do always have a foot long. That's what this box is. I always have a foot long. I don't normally, like I have today, normally have 2 foot longs. But I would also normally have a meal deal as well. 2 meal deals as well, but today I decided against it. But yes guys, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.